When you finish your handstand session, it's time to ponder. Think about what went well in that session. What did you learn? Really, that's the most important thing. Sometimes it's not a matter of accomplishing something huge. It's simply about learning about something new that you didn't know before, having a better understanding of what's going on. When you can reframe your session in that way, about what you've learned that day and how you can apply it to the next session, that's when you're going to find that the handstand journey can be a very fun one, and you can continue making progress throughout your entire journey. Again, I've mentioned this before, but if we get hung up on thinking that we have to nail something in each session, or we put a lot of pressure on ourselves to perform during that particular session, it can really not only stall us, but make us not want to practice handstands anymore. And to me, that's sad, because I think that if you're going to practice handstands, it should be for fun. You should enjoy the process. So when you finish up your handstand session that day, take some time to ponder, think about what went well, what you'd like to work on in your next session. We've shared a lot of videos, a lot of concepts with you regarding the handstand, and it can be quite overwhelming, I know. But remember, this is your journey. No expectations. I just want you to enjoy the process. And the way to do that is to just focus on one thing at a time. Handstand journey is not linear. It's up, down, all around, okay? You're gonna have good days, but you'll probably have more bad days than you will good days. But instead of thinking of those as bad days, reframe it. What did you learn that day? What can you take from that day and apply to your next session? And if you can look at it that way, you'll never have a bad session ever again. Handstands, I love. I still do them 2 times a week. But again, I have no expectations about what I want to do. For me right now, all I really want is just to get upside down. Enjoy the process, do it for as long as I possibly can. In your handstand journey, there's always something else that you can learn. There's always something else that you'll find that you didn't know. That's the beauty of working with the handstand. Once you do feel comfortable with the handstand though, I suggest play. Play, do different things, see where you can do handstands in different places, on different objects. Be safe. Challenge yourself. Take yourself out of your comfort zone and enjoy it. That's the most important thing that I would like for all of us to continue doing in our handstand journey. All right? Have fun.